Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pie dough from scratch, updated. Start by chilling butter and keeping water ice cold to limit gluten formation. Then measure flour and salt accurately and use a light touch when combining ingredients to avoid overworking the dough. And finally rest the dough wrapped in the fridge so it relaxes and firms up for easier rolling and a flakier crust. In this segment, I will explain 2 mixing methods and how to choose between them based on speed and texture. Use a pastry cutter or fork for a tactile approach or pulse in a food processor for convenience. Aim for pea-sized butter pieces. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon water at a time until the dough barely holds, and avoid overmixing so the pastry stays tender and develops flaky layers when baked. In this video, I will review how to make pie dough from scratch, updated. Quick recommendation: if you want a little kitchen upgrade, pick up Little Tree's black ice to keep your car or pantry smelling great after a day of baking. It's a small thing that adds freshness and a smile. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this part, I will help you roll and shape the dough for an even crust. Press the dough into a disc before chilling. Roll from the center outward with gentle, even pressure while rotating to keep thickness uniform. Lift and turn the dough often to prevent sticking, and transfer to your pan with a flexible spatula. Then chill the shaped crust for 30 to 60 minutes so it holds its shape and bakes into a crisp shell.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.